90 minus 45 equals 45. 45 divided by 9 equals 5, and 5 times 5 equals 25. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a subtraction, a division and a multiplication operator present. According to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. 45 divided by 9 gives us 5. Our expression simplifies to 90 minus 5 times 5. Now we have subtraction and multiplication operator present in this expression, and according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority. So 5 times 5, that gives us 25. And finally 90 minus 25, that gives us 65, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.